Y'all ready?
Are you ready?
I'm always ready now.
Whatever.
All right,
She
look.
ready.
She ready.
She ready, literally.
She ready.
Okay.
And anyway, all right, welcome to another edition of Trucking with Loshawnparks, where y'all could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, and she trucking, and she trucking. I mean, they all trucking. We all trucking, okay?
Oh, the habits of my heart, I can't say no. It's ripping me apart.
So I got two beautiful ladies right here beside me today, and I'm going to have the owner of She Trucking with Apparel explain to you guys exactly where she came up with the name She Trucking from, which I find to be very fascinating because it has a lot to do with your name, but then it also matches the she for the truck. You know what I'm saying? I'm just like,
Right. Well, we are the she.
okay.
We are the she in She Trucking. The she stands for Sisterhood, Help and Empowerment in the trucking industry. So I wanted, to bring representation to us women, to empower the women in the industry through fashion. So that's why I chose the name She Trucking.
Good deal. And how long have you been driving?
Going on 5 years.
5 years strong, just like
Yeah.
me. You know? For the 5 years. Anyway, all right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back and interview her. But I want to go ahead and interview Tiffany over here. Ask some questions to Tiffany. And this is Tiffany Hannah. Some people have completely botched her name. It was like Tiffany Hannah Echoes to the Hannah.
Hannah. All of it. It's okay. Big wheels and heels. That'll work.
Big Wheels and Hills. So while you brought that up, let's go ahead and I want you to explain exactly what the Big Wheels and Hills thing is.
Big wheels and hills just means that I have a saying that you got to pre-trip yourself before you pre-trip your truck. I feel like as a lady, we don't have to look like men per se out here, so I still do myself, doll myself all up, before I get in my truck and I go. So, it's like I can drive big wheels, but I can still wear my heels, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, making a fashion statement for the ladies.
Yeah, she,
right? For the she. And how long have you been in the industry, Tiffany?
In the industry, totally almost 18 years in December.
Oh wow, you got any trucks, or you own any trucks or anything?
Yeah, I'm at 6 right now.
Ooh, big dog right there with 6 trucks on him, killing him. All right, now I'm gonna switch the attention back over to you. And in the process of you opening the She Trucking clothing line, have you ran into any obstacles where people feel like, it's girl power thing, or have you embraced it?
I embrace it. It is girl power. That's right. We are better than the male drivers.
All right, anyway, the microphone is coming off of that situation right there, okay?
No, but just to roll off of that though, industry facts, they show that we are proven to be safer drivers than men.
Right, and that is an insurance fact. That is a fact. So I will agree with the ladies. You know what I'm saying on that one? Okay, that is a fact. In the 5 years that you've been in the industry, do you see yourself excelling past how much more time do you feel like you have in the industry before you might want to step out of it and say, okay, I put my time in?
Well, my father's a truck driver. Trucking is in my blood. So I think I'll be here a long time, if not just driving the trucks, but having something like the clothing line that's dealing with the trucking industry. So.
Right, and with the clothing line, did you just was out the blue, like, you know what, I want to wear my own apparel, I don't want to wear nobody else's thing? Is that where that came about?
No, I traveled across the United States. I could not find a shirt that said I was a woman. I drove trucks. So that was the reason why I started making my own.
Okay, entrepreneur in the drive.
Yeah.
I ain't mad at you, sis. So back over to Tiffany. Tiffany, you won a truck. You want to explain how you went about winning that truck that you had?
Last truck show in it was Matt's in Louisville. Women in Trucking. They had a contest where you had to be a member in good standing. Okay, a member of Women in Trucking. Then you also had to write an essay that was 200 to 300 word essay that stated what it is that you do for the empowerment of women in the industry, and then also why you believe that we should be more in number, mass number in the industry. And one thing that I like to promote all the time is that it's just not enough of us out here. You think about we only represent 7%. I currently drive for a company that we have the largest female fleet and growing every day. With that being said, we need more women in the industry. Women are afraid to, what I have found is that women are afraid to come into the industry because they do not have a support system, right?
Okay.
I just want you to know that you do have a support system.
That's right.
You know, there's several different outlets. We're connected nationally. You know, so that's why I say it's a highway diamond nation. You know what I mean? You can reach out to me on Facebook, Tiffany Eccles Hannah. You can reach out to me on Instagram, Tiffany Hannah. You can, or Big Wheels and Heels. You can reach out to me. I'm everywhere. Just look for me. If I don't have, and I always answer my phone numbers, my messages, or whatever. If I don't get to you, I'll get back to you, okay, in a timely fashion. With that being said, I don't always have all the answers, but I'm connected to people that can get those answers, you know. So, again, if it's something that you've always desired, dreamed about, you know, then come on out here and shine bright like a diamond. You know, we got a truck waiting for you.
Shine bright like a diamond. Highway diamonds. Okay, that's all I can say. Shout out to the highway diamonds out there. And since she went ahead and plugged her stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and allow you to plug your stuff too. You know, let everybody know where they can get where they can find you on social media, where they can get these T-shirts from. Once again, I will be having B-roll and panning of the different shirts that you have.
Okay, you can find us on sheetrucking.com. Just Google Sheet Trucking, it all come up. I have a Facebook page with Sheet Trucking in it.
Okay, go ahead and show that.
We have the Sisterhood Helping Empowerment and Transportation Group. It has 1,800 women drivers in it. So that's also on Facebook. It's Sisterhood Helping Empowerment and Transportation as well. So all my stuff is really all on my website, sheettrucking.com.
That's awesome. Before we get ready to skedaddle, I gotta ask the ladies this particular question because I'm asking everybody that I interview today this question. What is one thing that you would like to see different in the industry change that would make your job and career a lot better? Hey, it was completely random, okay?
Well, I think, this is a part of the change that I think needs to be in the trucking industry. I think the clothing line brings different people together, like Tiffany and I coming together to show people that you can drive trucks. You can do this. We doing it. Honey, we got our nails done, our hair done. We out here looking good and still driving a truck. You know what I'm saying? And so that has brought a lot of women into the industry. We're going to continue to keep women invested. So I think that's
I'm trying to soak it all up, okay? As Tiffany would say, she makes sure that she pre-trips herself before she does her truck. Tiff, so what is the one thing you feel that could change the industry dramatically, especially from, I guess, as Sheree was saying, from a female standpoint?
One of the things that I think that could change the industry dramatically is that they listen to the driver. And that's that's all around, all aboard. That's the customer, the people that you actually work for, your companies, you know, because a lot of times what we find is that, and I hate to say it like this, but from lack of knowing how to label it, we have pencil pushers or computer people users, you know, that really don't know what it is that we go through out here in the industry, you know what I mean? So when you send me to somewhere where I got to run my full 11 and I get there and I don't know if they have overnight parking, I don't know if they have facilities for women to use, you know what I mean? So you got me parking in a dirt lot, you know, in the back of the building, it's no lights, you know, and then I got to use the porta potty, you know, something about that needs to change. So I think they really need to take in consideration, you know, we don't just have men drivers out here, we also have women drivers out here. And I'm not saying that it's not safe, that it's only an unsafe environment for women, you know what I mean? But I think that if the customers really start to listen to the driver or take feedback from the driver, that it will make this whole thing a lot smoother. I know you said one thing. Another thing is I really think that would make it better is also I'm against the 14-hour rule. I just am. It is what it is. You know, we start our clock at 6 o'clock in the morning and we have 14 hours from that time. I'm just hypothetically. We have 14 hours from that time to complete up to 11 hours of drive time. Well, hey, I mean, my load may have 2 days on it, you know what I mean? And I feel like, I drove 2 hours and I want to take a nap, you know, 6 hours, and I can start my 14 hours, you know, again. And I just don't think that I should be governed by when I wake up and I start my pre-trip. I can only, you know, within that 14 hours, you know, that kind of way, you know, because I feel like I'm rejuvenated after 6 hours, not 8 hours of sleep per time.
Right.
That kind of way. So those little, you know, those little things that may not be big. They may not be big to someone else in the industry, it means a lot to us.
There you go. All right, so you guys heard it all right here from the two ladies right here. Once again, want to thank y'all for watching the video, and you catch She Trucking one more time for your plug.
www.shetrucking.com, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
That's right. she can't get enough of saying Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Make sure y'all remember that. But she has some really, really dope shirts. And go ahead and support this movement right here. Shouts to all the ladies that be driving trucks out here, because we need more of them. And they are safer than the men. Sorry guys, I'm going to take an L on this one. Alright, I'm going to take an L. So as I always say, don't do nothing I wouldn't do, like being unsafe. And as always, winners focus on winning. And losers focus on winners. And I mean, we winning all day right over here with She Trucking. We're trucking with Loshawnparks and Tiffany. All right, we out.